How's it going, Beaverton, Oregon? My name is Eric, owner and operator of P1 Auto Detail. In this video, I'm going to bring back another ceramic coating video, but this time it's going to be a little different. First and foremost, you always have to prepare the vehicle beforehand. If getting a ceramic coating or paint correction done on the vehicle, you always want to start off with the wheels, tires, and the wheel wells, just because they're the most dirtiest. This second step is pre-rinsing or pre-foaming the vehicle, just because I don't want to introduce any more scratchings that there already is on the paint. I actually will not be paint correcting this vehicle just because the customer is not paying for it, as well as the customer doesn't mind the imperfections that there is on the vehicle. She's just wanting to get her car ceramic coated for the long term of the paint, just because it is a brand new vehicle. They opted for a 6-year ceramic coating, which is going to protect it for a very long time if maintained properly. Ceramic coatings do not have to be expensive. That is why I love to speak one-on-one with each and every one of my customers, just to get a feel for what they're looking for. A great example here is the fact that this lady did not want paint correction done on a vehicle, which brought the price down significantly. Once again, preparation is key, and right here I'm actually spraying iron remover, which you saw in the beginning of the clip. What this does, it just removes every last bit of contamination from industrial fallout, from bug guts, from anything you can think of that is still stuck on the paint after the hand wash. And right here, this clay mitt does a great job as well as removing stuck on contamination. Again, just making sure that the clear coat is bare and the ceramic coating is actually bonding to the clear coat of the vehicle. Once this step is complete, I go ahead and dry the vehicle. I want to make sure I do not rush this process, as drying the vehicle is one of the most important parts when it comes to getting a ceramic coating, just because you do not want the vehicle wet for obvious reasons. The ceramic coating needs to cure to the paint properly, cannot be wet for a minimum of 4 days. This step right here is just paint prep. Preparation is key. You want to make sure that the vehicle is, stripped down to the actual clear coat. This removes any previous waxes that may have been on the vehicle. If you are a person who does not want to pay crazy high prices to get your vehicle protected long term, as well as you don't mind any imperfections that you may have on the vehicle, look no further. This ceramic coating service is one for you, as well as it saves you a ton of money and keeps your vehicle still protected long term. One of the reasons as to why ceramic coatings are expensive in the first place is all the preparation that goes, before the actual ceramic coating process. As you can see, me applying the ceramic coating now, it's very simple, straightforward process. It's just all the preparation that goes beforehand, as well as paint correction itself. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this helpful, or if you're wanting to get a ceramic coating service done on your vehicle, please feel free to contact us through the information down below. We'll provide a phone number as well as an email address. Thank you once again, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.